So we're going to start by building the login page. So head over to the source folder, head over to pages on the client side and add a new page. Basically, this login page is what the user is going to input their credentials, and from there they will be directed to the private routes after authentication. So basically, I will just do the short key RASCE, React arrow function export. That's what I'm going to use. So it comes with the basic setup. I'm just going to delete the demo data there. I'm going to give it a class name, content container. Okay, from there, input a heading tag to say H1, type login. Then we're going to start by putting the input star elements. I'm going to give it placeholder. There we go. Set the placeholder. Just type password there. Set the type to password. Then we'll move on to create the login button and also create another button which is for forgot your password. And the last button will be for sign up. You can have an account, sign up. So from there, we move on to importing use states from React and also import use history from React Router DOM. Once we're done with that, we move on to create our state variables. First one is going to be email. Second one is going to be obviously password. We type in password, set password, use state. Okay, that's it. Then we create another one, which is going to be history variable, calling a use history function. This allows us to route our page dynamically. We'll head on to setting the values of our elements and also the unchange function. We're going to set what the user imputes to be the value of email. We'll head over to password and do the same thing, give it a value of password and set an unchange. Okay, so then for the button, the login button will create a function which is an onSubmit function. What this function does, once the button has been clicked, sends a query to the server and logs the user in. So making an async function and display a basic alert for us to know that it's working. Then we'll implement the disabled property. If it's not email or no password, it will be disabled. Once there's value on them, it will be enabled. Move on to the forgot password, create an unclick, call the history variable, directly push it to forgot password. And also do the same thing for sign up. Change the slug there to sign up. Yes. Then we'll come and create another state variable for error. This displays to the user errors when maybe they input a wrong email or password. Basically going to call it error variable and put a div class name field. Yes, and place the error. So what this does, if error is true, it displays a variable. Now move on to the route and import the login route. Add it to our route file. It's the login slot there. It's the login page. So create a new terminal and start up our client. So it's complaining of something. Basically, it's complaining of an import. So I think everything is right. I'll have to restart my client. Yes. Just did that and it worked. So all the buttons are functioning.